Now I want to talk a bit about not as useful tools because there have been some. Recently, my server got hacked and I had to clean up as much resources as possible because I didn't know why my server keeps getting hacked. So I did a cleanup and I stopped some of the resources that I don't use. I'm gonna share it with you right now so that maybe it saves you some time. The first resource is actually sad that I don't use it. It's called Affine. Um, it is an alternative to Notion. My problem with that is they don't have an app, a mobile app, which sucks. Um, and they're a bit laggy. Like comparatively to Notion, like Notion is just, it's so comfortable to write there, it's so convenient. Here, it's little not great. They also have like a Moira alternative where you can visually, let me just show you a fine, where you can create like charts and draw things. I hope they show it here. It have also have databases. This is the same as Notion, so that's like a Notion plus Moira having Kit. The idea is really cool, and I think it have potential. I just didn't manage to migrate to it. I'm too attached to Notion. It's too nice, and there are some small things in this software that made me uncomfortable. So I stayed on Notion, and I turned this off, as you can see. Then we have AppSmith, which is also a cool software that is giving you like a ready to use, like it's basically a no code builder. It was cool 1 year back, but now with AI, I don't need no code. I can just write whatever I want in code in minutes. So I would just say no code tools are losing their relevance a little bit, including AppSmith. So I ended up not using it and I stopped it. Then we have Calcom. And don't take me wrong, Calcom is an amazing software. It's a Calendly alternative, open source Calendly alternative, which is having even more functionalities than Calendly. It allows visitors to choose how long meeting do they want to have with you. It allows for payments, reminders, availabilities, all of those good things. The only problem is that in order to use it, you need to give it access to your calendar, obviously. And I had problems with that. Google fucked me badly. I don't know. First, I got access and I was using the software for a while, like for half a year. It was, I would put it now as a number one most useful software half year back. But then something happened to Google. They denied my API keys, and I was submitting access more and more times, and it's in review. It's been in review for 4 months, even though they say it shouldn't take more than 4 weeks. And I've write to support, I resubmit review, nothing changes. And that makes Calcom unusable. Like I cannot use it without API access to my Google Calendar because it cannot schedule meetings. So it doesn't make sense. So that's a bit unfortunate. Maybe I'm gonna fix it. Maybe it's gonna work for you. Overall, my recommendations, amazing software, never had problems with it. Except Google. I had problems with Google. Next, we have Gutenberg. Gutenberg, I think it's for PDFs. Yeah. It's a tool that allows you to API build for PDF conversion. Yeah. So a lot of operations with PDFs. I thought it's useful. It sounds useful. It just, I never ended up using it. I think I may renew it and create an MCP server for my agent, because for agent to be able to do these things, it feels useful. Merge, split, transform, secure. Like it does feels useful. I think it have its use case, but it's super niche. It's super niche, and I'm not in this niche. Mm, Now we have Karakip. Karakip, I'm running Karakip. Like it's running, right? But I don't use it much. It's basically oh, I have it. No, it's like a storage for your bookmarks, which I'm changing browsers often, so I'm annoyed with migrating my bookmarks. However, so I thought having like an independent standardized bookmark manager would worth it. However, I got too much addicted to this to this is browser. It's Arc. I even forgot how it's called because it's got like it's not supported much nowadays. So I need to migrate from it. But I have all of my bookmarks in here, and it's super convenient. Like this bookmarking style is just making me fat. Like that's just so nice. So I run Karakey, but I don't use it. Form Bricks is similar to Upsmith. Form Bricks is allowing you to create forms with no code. NocoDB can do that. Like I can create a form into NocoDB and the data will get saved into Postgres straight away. So I didn't even need it much. Fun thing is that you can integrate it into website and it's gonna look nice. Like it have nice forms, like review form. So maybe useful, but again, no code tools are losing their edge. With AI, you can just write this form in a few minutes yourself, have one database called form submissions, and then have multiple different forms across the website written very fast with AI. So I just ended up not using it. You may notice one thing which I missed and didn't talk about. It's cloud. The cloud is actually Nextcloud, and Nextcloud is like your own Google Drive. I just installed it, so I'm not going to talk about it much because I'm not sure how useful it is yet. So you're gonna skip it. Then we have MeTube. MeTube is just allowing you to download YouTube videos, but there are websites that allow you to download YouTube videos. So I just use them, and I think I didn't have an exact use case to download videos in like amazing quality. So I ended up not using it and switching it off. Then I have my Minecraft server. And oh man, that was my dream to have a Minecraft server. It's cool to have a Minecraft server. And I bought like a template which is having like a legit server with 15 game modes. By game modes, I mean things like Skyblock, Survival, of course, Bad Wars, TNT Run, 15 different mini games. I ended up shutting it down because, well, I played a bit there, but it's like, well, Minecraft server is a business. Like you need to find partnership, you need to develop it, and it consumes a lot of server resources. So I stopped it. Then we have NA10. NA10 is having a great cloud version, um, and but also expensive cloud version. There was a hype around NA10 around 1 year back. And NA10 is like an AI workflow thing. It allows you to build structured workflows around your AI. Actually, not only structured, but also agentic workflows. Like you can create an agent, connect different tools to it, and then have partially structured workflow. Super useful, but OpenClaw made it obsolete. I would say NA10 is like a theme that was before OpenClaw. If you wanna do things autonomously when you sleep, NA10 was the tool. Right now it's OpenClaw, so I stopped it. Um, And then we have Postis. Postis is a social media posting software, which is nice software. I bought a cloud version of it. Why? Because to post on social medias, you need to register your business and get API keys from every social media account you want to post to, which is annoying. So I was like, that's a lot of submissions, that's a lot of waiting. So for now, I just bought a cloud version. If price gonna be too expensive, I may end up just self-hosting it. So overall, this tool is very useful, but you're gonna have hard time configuring it. Like if you think that this is just going to be like one-click social media posting solution, no, you need to manually configure every social media. Then we have Schlink, which I still host. I still host Schlink. Something got broken here. It's like a link shortener. The thing is that there is a lot of free link shortener on the internet. So I ended up not using it and stopping it. So that is my top tools that were disappointing.